How to sign in to your Amazon Prime app from your smart TV. In this video we will show you the steps to sign in to your Amazon Prime app from your smart TV. If the Amazon Prime Video app isn't pre-installed on your smart TV, go to the Play Store or the App Store and download the app, then open the Amazon Prime app. On the right top corner of your screen, select the Sign In option. Now, you will receive two ways to sign in on your smart TV. The first option, using the website, and the second option, using the QR code. We will show you both methods. First method, on your mobile or computer, visit the website mentioned on the screen. That is, primevideo.com/mytv. Sign in to your Prime Video account. Enter the code shown on your TV. Press Register the device. Success! Your device is registered to a Prime Video account. Your TV app page automatically updates. The second option, using QR code. Scan the QR code using your mobile camera or QR code reader on your mobile device. Open Prime Video. Sign in attempt from a new device. Press Allow. Once you allow the device, your TV app page automatically updates. Now you can enjoy watching different shows and movies on your TV. Hope this video helps you. For more videos please like, share and subscribe to our channel.